Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about valence bond theory and about sigma and pi bonds, a very important topic in chemical bonding chapter. So this valence bond theory says that a covalent bond is formed by the overlapping of two half-filled valence atomic orbital of two different atoms. So the two different atoms, half-filled atomic orbitals, are going to overlap to form a covalent bond. The electrons in the overlapping orbitals get paired and confined between the nuclei of the two atoms. Greater the extent of overlapping, stronger the covalent bond formed. Let us take the example. So there are two types of covalent bonds you can find according to valence bond theory. The first type of bond, covalent bond, is sigma bond. Sigma bond. And sigma bond is formed by the axial overlapping of two half-filled atomic orbital. So this is the half-filled s orbital of hydrogen, 1s1, the one unpaired electron of hydrogen present in the s orbital, spherical shape s orbital. This is the s orbital of another hydrogen having electron in opposite spin. These two half-filled atomic orbitals, they overlap axially to form one covalent bond. That bond is called as sigma bond between the two hydrogen atoms. Due to the overlapping of half-filled atomic orbitals, there is a creation of one sigma bond. Let us take one more example. Here you can find the overlapping of two dumbbell-shaped p orbitals to form a sigma bond. Here also the overlapping is axial. So here in case of chlorine, the unpaired electron is present in p orbital and the p orbital shape is dumbbell shape. This p orbital has one half-filled, this p orbital is half-filled having one unpaired electron. It is going to overlap axially with another p orbital of different chlorine atom. This is the p orbital of one chlorine atom and this is the p orbital of another chlorine atom. These two half-filled atomic orbitals, p orbitals, overlap axially to form a covalent bond between the two chlorine atoms. That covalent bond is called as sigma bond. Let us take one more example. Here we can find the overlapping of s orbital and p orbital, and you can find in HCl, hydrogen chloride. There is a overlapping of the s orbital of hydrogen and p orbital of chlorine. Both these half-filled atomic orbital overlap axially to form a bond called sigma bond between hydrogen and chlorine. The second type of covalent bond is pi bond, and here the atomic orbital overlap sideways. And here only p orbitals are involving, s orbitals will not involve. The two different p orbitals, dumbbell shaped p orbitals, they overlap sideways to form a bond called pi bond. And children, remember, pi bond alone cannot exist. Along with the sigma bond, the pi bond is going to be created. Pi bond cannot exist alone. So we will take the example of oxygen molecule. We know oxygen atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. You can find two half-filled p orbitals, two p orbitals with one unpaired electron each. Now you can find the overlapping of atomic orbital between two oxygen atoms so that they can form oxygen molecule, and between two oxygen atom you can find double bond, two covalent bond. Among that, one sigma and one pi. And we are going to see how this sigma and pi bond is going to be created. First of all, the p orbital of one oxygen atom having one unpaired electron, another p orbital, dumbbell shaped p orbital having one more unpaired electron. We have written in this way. Now, from another oxygen atom, this is one oxygen, from another oxygen atom, one of the p orbital having unpaired electron overlap axially to form one sigma bond, and another p orbital is going to overlap sideways to form one pi bond. So in this way, between two oxygen atom, two covalent bonds are going to be created. One is sigma, one is pi. First sigma bond is going to be created and then pi bond. So this is how between two oxygen atom bonds are going to be created due to the overlapping of atomic orbitals. We will take one more example. Nitrogen, atomic number 7, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. In nitrogen, you can find 3 unpaired electron in 3 p orbitals, px, py and pz. So let us write the p orbitals. This is one p orbital having one unpaired electron, second p orbital having another unpaired electron, and third p orbital. These are the 3 p orbitals with unpaired electron. This is of one nitrogen. Another nitrogen p orbital overlap axially to form one sigma bond between the two nitrogen atom. This is a sigma bond. Second p orbital having unpaired electron overlap sideways to form one pi bond. Third p orbital, this also overlap sideways to form the second pi bond. So in this way, between the two nitrogen atoms, you can find 3 covalent bonds. Out of the 3 covalent bonds, 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds. 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds are going to be created due to the overlapping of half-filled atomic orbitals.